So decisions. You need to get a melter. Which should you get, the Elite or the Pro? If you're a no-frills contractor, you've got a large crew of guys, you're just looking for ultimate rugged reliability with no frills and no bells and whistles, this is your machine. It's got all of the baked-in technology you need to do the job right without any of the extras that someone can easily break or damage. If you're an owner-operator or a DIYer looking for that next level of convenience and comfort and something that's a little bit more intuitive with more attention to detail, the Elite's your machine. It's got the intuitive dash, which integrates the burner start, ignition components, as well as your digital display. And it's got your lift handles to conveniently get this thing in and out of a pickup truck with support, as well as a couple extra pieces of aluminum bling like bar ends and a bezel on the dashboard. It also has a standard accessory torch to be able to clean the valve as well as your shoes of any residual crack filler before or after you finish a job. The kettle advantages when you go with RynoWorx are both kettles feature a 12.8 gallon capacity. That's a full 28% more than previous RynoWorx versions. Both kettles support three-sided loading with the same style of a lid design. Both kettles have a latch on the front to be able to keep the lid closed, and both kettles have a slight lean for operator protection in the event that someone's loading these machines and they overfill them. Ideally, the operator is standing away and it overflows to the front, not to the sides or to the back of the machine where you have sensitive components and propane controls. So, which machine to buy? The RynoWorx Elite or the RynoWorx Pro? Well, if you're a contractor looking for rugged dependability and proven technology that's just gotten a lot better, the RY10 Pro is your machine. It's rugged, safe, reliable, same capacity as the Elite, and a lot of the same burner functionality as the Elite, same fuel efficiency and same melt time. All of those functions are baked in, ergonomics as well. However, if you're looking for a step up, if you care about things like being able to lift a machine in the back of your pickup, or you have a high flow trailer and you want to save your back, or if you're an owner operator that appreciates attention to detail and having a dash that controls all of your fuel components, then the RY10 Elite is your machine.